Hey everyone, welcome back to Drift Dreamz. Today we're diving into one of the most luxurious and high-tech pickups to ever wear the Ram badge, the all-new 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten. This isn't just a truck, it's a statement. From upscale design cues to cutting-edge tech and premium performance, the tungsten trim takes Ram's legendary 1500 to a whole new level. Let's start with what you see first, the exterior. The 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten features a bold new front fascia, complete with a revised grille design exclusive to this trim, flanked by sleek LED headlamps and a sculpted hood. Satin chrome detailing and 22-inch polished wheels scream high-end, while the tungsten badges subtly flex its top-tier status. It's not just about flash. The Ram's body lines are clean, aerodynamic, and purposeful, helping this full-size pickup slice through air more efficiently than you'd expect. At the rear, a multifunction tailgate and LED taillights round out a sophisticated, utility-focused design. Step inside, and this is where the Tungsten really earns its luxury badge. This isn't your average work truck, this is first class on 4 wheels. The full leather-wrapped interior includes quilted Natura plus leather seats with suede headliner, real wood accents, and aluminum trim. The heated, ventilated, and massaging seats come standard, both front and rear. Yes, even the back passengers are pampered. At the center of it all is a massive 14.5-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen, paired with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 10.25-inch passenger screen. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even dual Bluetooth pairing. Audiophiles will love the 23-speaker Klipsch Reference Premier audio system, a first in any pickup truck. Under the hood, the Tungsten doesn't just look good, it's got the muscle to back it up. New for 2025, it's powered by the Hurricane twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-6 engine, producing up to 540 horsepower and 521 lb-ft of torque, depending on the variant. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and available air suspension, the ride is both smooth and confident. The Tungsten also boasts a towing capacity of up to 11,580 pounds, and a payload rating of over 2,300 pounds, all while offering best-in-class ride comfort thanks to Ram's rear coil spring suspension setup. Luxury means peace of mind, and Ram packed the Tungsten with an extensive suite of driver assistance tech. We're talking adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, 360-degree surround view camera, automatic emergency braking, and even hands-free highway driving with the new hands-free active drive assist system. So, who is the 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten for? It's for the buyer who wants luxury without compromise, who needs capability but refuses to give up comfort. It's for someone who wants their truck to feel just as refined as a premium SUV, but with more muscle and utility. With its powerful new engine, ultra-luxurious interior, and segment-defining tech, the Tungsten isn't just a new top trim, it's Ram's declaration that the luxury truck wars are just heating up, and they're leading the charge. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review of the 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dives into the hottest rides of tomorrow. Drop a comment, would you pick the Tungsten over the GMC Sierra Denali or F-150 Platinum?